This is the Techno Spark 5 Pro, and the switch or the power button. When you press the power button, that sticky thing that moves up and down, that is it. This one, it got damaged, so I needed to buy one and fix it. So I took it to the repairs and said they are taking me 100 cedis. Some are taking 100 cedis, some are taking 60 cedis to do just this thing. I was like, oh, okay. And the screen also got damaged some time ago, and we just imported some at a low cost of 15 cedis. Sometimes we give it to the kids to use it to learn. So 1, 2, then they break the screen. 1, 2, they break the screen. So I went to buy the screen. I imported it directly from China because I do the mini importation, so I know where to buy at cheaper rate. If you need to buy something at a cheaper rate from China directly, you can also contact me and I can help you out with that. So this is the phone, and so that switch thing, some people are selling it for 40 cedis, some 20 cedis. Then I went to a shop somewhere and I got it for 10 cedis. That switch thing, the power switch. So the only thing I had to do was just to replace it in the system. So I had to just take my screwdriver and then open the phone. So this part. So after you have used your hand to just open this part of it, then the rest you just have to unscrew this part of the phone or this part of the board. After you have done that, after you have done this, then you just have to lift it off and replace it. Replacement, you don't need to heat anything. You don't need a lead. You don't. I have all the tools, and I also do some kind of phone repairs. And mostly I do iPhones. So iPhones are easy to repair, but for most of the Androids, sometimes you need to hit certain parts and all that, and sometimes annoying. So it's easy. Sometimes it's not always that you have to take your phone for repairs. Just some of the videos are already online. You can just watch them and you'll be good to go. All right, so this is the phone that I had. So that's the board on at this part. So that's the board you are looking at. So all I had to do was just remove the power supply, remove all the cam, remove those things. Right after, I have access to where the power switch is. I'm the one who did this. Oh, I did this basically by myself. I did everything by myself. I already have the tools to for repairs. If you're around Cape Coast, mostly if you're around Cape Coast and you have a phone damage and you want me to help you out, aside my consulting things that I do, I do a lot of things. So I also do that. So you can see the phone here, and after I have finished removing this part of it, and so that is my switch over there. And yeah, it wasn't really kind of a difficult thing. So that is it. You can see the power switch over there. So that is it. It's all the things are in line, so you can be able to follow. If not, please see a specialist to do that for you. I have been repairing phone for some time now, so I know how to go about it. All right, so that's the phone when I finished. So that's the power button there after I have finished fixing. It's way easy. I just have to place it there, just like using something to stick on something. It's just like a sticker. So it's just like a sticker. But if you go to the repairers, they will really charge you. They will really charge you. So if you want that to be done, if something of sort, they sell it. So when you go to the phone shops, you just tell them that part of the phone is spoiled. The whole board is there, or that portion is there, and they will sell it for you. So that is it. After, so on, off, on, off, on. You see, it's working now. Formerly, all those parts were not working. This is Seekers News GH. If you need help, I'm here.